DC Blue Advance, activating the auto close mode and selecting an auto close time. Note, when auto close mode is activated, the safety beam mode automatically becomes active. This is mandatory as the auto close mode may never be used without a set of infrared safety beams installed. With auto close active, infrared safety beam setup mode is no longer available in the setup menu. To begin, from standby, which is indicated by these two lines, press and hold set for 3 seconds. Buzzer beeps twice, P flashes on the display. Scroll up to A, which represents auto close. To enter, press and release set. 0 is an indication of default or no auto close time set. Each numerical value is a representation of 10-second increments. Maximum time setting would be 9 or 90 seconds. I'm going to set ours on 4, which is 40 seconds. Press and release set. To save, we can either continue in program mode or exit back to standby mode.